Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Esmeralda. I hope you guys do subscribe to my channel and keep up with me with all the videos that I am making. For today's video, I did do this pastel eye look, and I did use the Morphe 35I palette, the Icy Fantasy palette. I did film a video using it the first time and it just did not work out for me. The eyeshadows were coming out patchy. If I applied the purple shade that I have on, it would rub off when I would apply the blue shade to blend together. As I would blend, the pigment would just really go away. So I would recommend, if you guys are interested in this eyeshadow palette, to not set your eyelids when you do your eye makeup with this palette, just because it is pastels and pastels are very hard to use from what I experienced with this eyeshadow palette. So use the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 118 light beige over the face, and I do work in sections with this foundation. I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond and Cloud. Of the almond shade all over my under eye, just because it's a perfect match. Let it set, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows meanwhile it sets, and I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be back to blend up this and then to do the rest of my face makeup and then move on to my eyes. Start blending the concealer. I'm gonna start blending the almond shade first, and I always alternate between the eyes just to get even coverage. Now I'm gonna take the shade Cloud and I'm just gonna apply a teensy bit just to make it a little bit brighter, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit right here. Meanwhile, with what remaining product I do have on the sponge, I'm gonna apply it just a little bit on my chin just to give it a little bit of a highlight, and as well as in between my eyebrows. Make sure that the concealer is blended right here in between with my foundation, right at the bridge of the nose, just because concealer does tend to get there and it does leave me a line. So I'm just gonna blend that, and now I'm just gonna blend the Cloud shade out. My under eyes and my face, I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Blur and Set powder in this, and I'm going to take the e.l.f. sponge just to set my under eyes a little bit. You do want to move quickly just so your concealer does not crease. Pointed powder brush to set my face. Same powder, I'm just gonna set lightly. prime really quick with the e.l.f. concealer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose contour. And I do like to wipe most of the product off the wand, since I don't really like to apply a lot of concealer. Since it's a very thick concealer, I don't want to apply a lot. I'm gonna blend it out with this BH brush, and I'm just gonna start blending lightly, and then I'm gonna tap to blend the concealer, and I'm gonna drag it all the way up to the brow bone. I decided to do voiceover, and I created this colorful rainbow pastel eye look. I don't know how to really say it, but I started off with the inner crease with the shade Into the Blue. I am going to start packing the shade before I blend it into the inner crease. I am going to continue to build the shade Into the Blue in the inner crease just to get it as opaque as I would want it to be. So as soon as I get it as opaque as I want it, I switch off brushes and I start blending it. With a smaller, denser brush, I get the shade Dreamer, and then I start packing it in the outer crease. And I blend both shades together as well. With the blending brush that I'm using to blend both shades, I do start winging out the Dreamer shade. I will continue to add more Dreamer onto the outer crease, and I'll continue to blend, and I'll keep doing that till I get it as opaque and purple as I would want it. I'm then gonna take the shade Chill Thrill in a little angled brush, and I'm gonna start packing it in the outer V. I'm also gonna continue to get the blending brush that I use to blend all the shades together, and I'm gonna blend the Chill Thrill with Dreamer, just so there won't be a harsh line in between both of the shades. I am then gonna get the shade Sky High, and I'm gonna start packing it in the middle of the lid. Since I did lose some of the pigment from Chill Thrill, I am going to pack it on again. And I'm going to continue to do this till I get all the three colors opaque on the lid. I'm then going to take the shade Wishful, and I'm going to pack it in the inner lid. I'm going to continue to pack on all three colors and blend all the shadows together, just so there will be no harsh lines in between any of the shades. For the lower lash line, I'm going to do the same as I did in the crease, just pack in Into the Blue and Dreamer. I did start with the Into the Blue shade in the inner part of my lower lash line, and then I used Dreamer in the outer part of the lower lash line. Took the shade Brilliant and I used that to highlight my inner corner. I then go ahead and use my CoverGirl Professional 3-in-1 mascara. I would use falsies, but I don't have lash glue, so I just curled my lashes and applied a ton of mascara to make my eyelashes look voluminous. I also did apply mascara into my lower lashes. So before I start contouring my nose, I'm gonna take the shade Lyric from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is for the medium. This is medium tone, so I'm just gonna grab the shade Lyric, the yellow toned powder, and I'm just lightly gonna start to pat under my eye and on the sides of my nose as well, again, just to give me a little bit of a brighter under eye, because I did you know, do this pastel eye and I want it to kind of look a little bit brighter. And we're gonna put the shade Shadow Play from the palette, this little palette, and I'm just gonna grab it with this e.l.f. blending brush. I love this brush to blend out my nose contour, and I'm just gonna start applying the lines first before I start to blend, and I apply it on the bridge of my nose. I also apply it right here under the nose, right here. And I'm gonna blend the contour shade a little bit with the blue, just so it kind of blends in together. Okay. And I'm just gonna go back in with this brush a little, with no product on the brush, and just go up lightly on the sides of where the contour and the Lyric shade meet as well. Just tap it a little bit up so it doesn't look that harsh. Shade Shadow Play with the e.l.f. highlighting brush to start contouring my cheeks, or bronzing as I would say. Going with the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade We're Going Shopping. This is from her holiday collection, the 2019 holiday collection, and I'm gonna take it with another e.l.f. highlight brush. And I do like to apply it right where I applied the bronzer. I don't like to go up above it or below it. Well, obviously not below it, but I just don't like to go above the bronzer, just because I'm barely getting used to applying blush, so I'm still not really accustomed to wearing blush. Okay, so I'm gonna take the MAC Cosmetics Extra Dimension Skin Finish Real Technique setting brush to highlight my cheekbones. The M515 brush to apply the highlight on the bridge of my nose. Gonna mesh everything together with the primer water as well. This is a sample just because I got it from a holiday collection from Milani Make It Last matte setting primer. Lips, I'm gonna go very muted, so I'm gonna take the NYX matte lip liner in the shade Sandstorm to line my lips. For lipstick, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Nude. It's literally what it's called, Nude. Yeah, this is the perfect nude. I'm gonna do my hair really quickly and do an outro as well. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the final look up close. The eye look. I do hope you guys, let me see you guys up before I stop. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it and redoing this eye look so many times. I do hope you guys stay tuned to the next video. If you are new, thank you for watching, or if you're not new, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Before I leave, I quickly want to let you guys know that if you guys have any suggestions for me or anything, to please leave them down in the comments down below, because I am in a rut and I don't really know what to film. And yeah, just leave me your suggestions, and I'll see you guys in my next video once again.